Paul Tournier was a Swiss physician and author who had acquired a worldwide audience for his work in pastoral counseling. His ideas had a significant impact on the spiritual and psychosocial aspects of routine patient care, and he had been called the 20th century's most famous Christian physician. He wrote several books that were translated into several world languages. These are his originals as he wrote.
Jetzt. Knjige Učimo starjeti koju je izdala biblioteka oko 3 ujutro, a imamo čast, zadovoljstvu i sreću da smo danas sa glavnim urednikom biblioteke oko 3 ujutro, fra Petrom Bašićem.
Profesor Karlo Prendivoj, on je biblioteku oko 3 ujutro osnovao 1976. I evo, kao što je rečeno, zanimljivo je da među 8 prvih knjiga 3 su knjige Paula Tourniera. Te prve knjige koje su u biblioteci, znači Poslanje žene, prvo izdanje je 1981. Onda spomenute Učimo starjeti, prvo izdanje je 1980. I jedna mala knjižica, vrlo zanimljiva, Više razumijevanja u braku, prvo izdanje 1980. I evo već i ovo izbor ovih knjiga govori da su knjige birane pažljivo i obično se uz ime Paula Tourniera povezuje da je on bio kršćanski liječnik. I dobro, to prije nisam mislio na to, međutim kad sam pogledao 3 knjige objavila naša biblioteka i još 2 knjige su objavljene na hrvatskom, Lice patnje, objavio je župni ured Đakovečki selci 1990. i Umijeće slušanja, isto u Đakovu 1986. u pravi trenutak, to je jedna udruga koju vodi profesor Zirdum. Zanimljivo je da svih 5 su objavljene, znači objavili su i crkvene institucije. Eto, to je, i zato se opravdava da je on bio kršćanski liječnik i to se o njemu tako i govori i evo i ove knjige su pokazale da je to opravdano povezivati taj atribut s njegovim imenom.
Winners of the Paul Tournier prizes are 2017. Wim van Lerberge, Geneva, Switzerland. 2018, Robert Cloninger, St. Louis, USA. 2019, Alberto Perales, Lima, Peru. 2020, George Christodoulou, Athens, Greece. And John Cox Kettleman, UK. 2021, James Appleyard, Canterbury, United Kingdom. 2022, Sandra van Dulmen, Nijmegen, the Netherlands. 2023, John Sneedle, Reykjavik, Iceland. In 2024, Veljko Đorđević, Zagreb, Croatia.
His contribution to person-centered medicine and his broad humanistic and scientific promotion of person-centered care among professional and general communities. Thank you. Very congratulations, Professor Turkiewicz.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Thank you.
Can you stand? Make a further presentation. It will be printed, and so this is also part of your prize.
Bravo.
Radujem se što se ova knjiga objavljuje na hrvatskom jeziku i na poziv nakladnika. Vrlo rado šaljem bratski pozdrav svojim čitateljima u Hrvatskoj. Zahvalan sam prevoditelju što mi je omogućio ovu komunikaciju između vas i mene. Uvijek sam se divio vašem narodu i hvalio vašu zemlju koju sam nekoliko puta posjetio i s kojom me vežu najljepše uspomene kao i prijateljske veze s nekim vašim sunarodnjacima. Kao liječnik iz prakse, davno sam shvatio važnost osobnog odnosa između sebe i pacijenta, da se ne zanimam jedino za njegovu bolest, za njegov medicinski slučaj, nego i za njegovu osobu, za njegov osobni život, za njegove osjećaje, njegove patnje i tegobe, jer ako mu pomognem da ih riješi ili da ih prihvati, možda ću mu pomoći i do zdravlja. Pridružiše mi se mnogi kolege iz raznih zemalja u nastojanju da medicini očuvamo humanistički karakter u vrijeme kad njezin znanstveni i tehnički napredak, inače divan i dragocjen, prijeti da osvoji našu isključivu pozornost. Starost nije bolest, ali ima svojih briga, pa je to možda životna dob kojoj je najpotrebnija izvjesna mudrost i shvaćanje, poštovanje i moralna podrška liječnikova. Meni je 81 godina, pa o starosti mogu govoriti čak i s većim pravom nego onda kad sam prije 10 godina počeo ovu knjigu pisati. Osim toga, prije 5 godina umrla mi je supruga i sada znam da je drugo starjeti sam negoli starjeti udvoje. Želim starce ohrabriti da budu aktivni dokle god to mogu i ja sam eto još aktivan jer sam preklani imao predavanja u Japanu, lani u Sjedinjenim Američkim Državama, a ove se godine spremam za predavanja u Africi. Ali se ovdje obraćam i mladima, jer starost je plod života i ovisna je o kakvoći sveukupnog života. Ona je za svakoga njegova budućnost koju sebi svakodnevno priprema, svima vama, starima i mladima. Želim da budete toga svjesni, te da vam bude što sretnija i što plodnija. Paul Tournier.
Yes, I am Michel Bodbol, child and adolescent psychiatry in France, professor of child and adolescent psychiatry in Brest, in France. I'm blessed to be here in front of the house of Paul Tournier, who is one of the main inspiration of our movement, which is person-centered medicine. He is the inventor of the term, and as such, he has been very important for us since 2008, and even before, when it was the inspirator of what happened to child and adolescent psychiatry and to psychiatry as a whole with Juan Mezic, when Juan Mezic was president of WPA. So here it's a very important moment in our movement because we are going to the place where everything began, and it's a very nice idea of Veliko and our friend from Croatia to have this movie taken before their important congress, international congress in Zagreb. Thank you so very much to be here and listen to us.
Just what it means for you, this movement? For you as a psychiatrist, as a medical doctor, as a human being,
It is
to see not a diagnosis, not a symptom, but a person.
Yes, exactly. What is important is this movement is that in every part of medicine, but of course in psychiatry also, it is crucial to understand that disease is not the main important thing. We are not treating diseases, we are treating persons who have diseases. And that is very important to remind it in a moment where technicity is so high that we tend to forget it. It's not that technicity is not useful, it is useful. But it doesn't mean you don't have to take into account the person who has a disease.
Oui, alors moi je m'appelle Alain Paul André Tournier. Donc j'ai le
My name is
No.
Alain Paul
André.
André Tournier.
Donc mon deuxième prénom est celui de Paul, celui de mon grand-père.
So his second name is exactly the one of his grandfather.
Ce qui est lourd à porter quand même.
And this is actually a heavy burden to carry.
Voilà, j'ai repris, je dirais, l'utilité de ce nom à la fin des années 1990.
I have started to do research and collect all these things at the end of the 90s. 1990s, at the end of 1990s.
Quand j'ai démarré à Interlaken une réunion où effectivement beaucoup de personnes s'étaient réunies pour un hommage à Paul Tournier.
We had a conference in Interlaken in 1998 where many people showed respect to Paul Tournier and what he had meant to them.
Et c'est là que la nouvelle aventure, je dirais, de la famille descendante de Paul Tournier s'est mise à récolter des documents pour promouvoir ses idées dans l'avenir.
So I realized then what Paul Tournier meant to so many people, and I started to collect materials from then on and to realize all that Paul Tournier had done in his lifetime.
Ça fait maintenant donc 26 ans. On a beaucoup de documents. On a créé la conférence de Genève, enfin,
This
en
research has
partenariat.
gone on 26 years now, where he has collected a lot of documents and found things that were not known before.
Le but, c'est de créer une fondation Paul Tournier à terme. Actuellement, nous sommes une association.
Right now we're an association, but we want to become a foundation, which is an even more lasting form.
Voilà, mon rôle à moi, c'est, je dirais, celui du scribe. C'est le messager, c'est d'écrire, de transmettre au suivant uniquement.
My role is being a messenger of collecting, but also transmitting what I've found to other people and those beyond me and after me.
Je ne suis pas médecin, je ne suis pas psychiatre ou
I'm
psychologue.
not a medical doctor, I'm not a psychiatrist, a psychologist.
Ma formation est architecte
I'm an architect.
et je collecte des données comme je collecterais des briques pour arriver à construire un édifice que Paul Tournier a commencé avec tout son groupe, avec toutes les personnes qui le suivaient, et qu'on essaye un peu de transmettre aux générations futures, maintenant que la médecine est vraiment devenue de plus en plus difficile à exercer.
When I build a house, I take different bricks and put them one on top of each other, and more it becomes the house it's going to be. And so I've collected many things here. Also to share something about this medicine of the person in a world where this is so needed.
Alan, how was your grandfather as your grandfather?
Comment était ta relation à ton grand-père, à Paul Tournier, toi et ton grand-père?
Alors je dirais que la relation était très bonne.
From a Christian background,
Lui, il allait à l'église tout le temps, et puis
he went to the church regularly.
nous, on refusait d'aller au catéchisme.
But we didn't go to the lessons, you know.
Mais il ne s'est jamais mêlé de la façon dont mes parents nous ont élevés, et de l'aspect psychologique. On sait bien qu'on ne peut pas, de toute façon, soigner sa famille.
And in psychology, you also know that, of course, he took care of many other people, but to somehow heal a family, this is a different story.
Je crois qu'il avait assez à faire avec ses patients, avec ses livres et avec ses collègues.
he was very busy with his patients, with writing books, with his colleagues.
Sinon, moi j'ai un souvenir qui me reste de Paul.
But I have one souvenir that I always will remember about Paul.
C'est qu'il prenait le temps, tous les Noëls, de venir nous voir et de nous offrir des cadeaux à tous.
At Christmas, he would take time and buy individual presents that he would give to each one, in a very personal way.
Il allait lui-même en ville,
Himself went downtown.
dans un grand magasin qu'on connaît très bien à Genève, pour choisir chaque objet qu'il offrait à mes parents, aux 4 enfants, à sa belle-mère, à son beau-père. Je veux dire, ça faisait beaucoup de cadeaux. Et c'était des cadeaux personnels. Oui, une fois, il m'a offert un attaché-caisse. J'étais étudiant, donc ça tombait bien. Quand
When
j'étais...
I was a student, he gave me a student suitcase.
Une autre fois, il m'a acheté un radio-réveil complet.
Another time, it was an alarm clock with a radio that was very useful.
Alan, in a few words, now in 2024, how will you describe some basic characteristics of your grandfather?
Maintenant, nous avons 2024. Comment est-ce que tu voudrais décrire ton grand-père?
Maintenant,
Maintenant, d'une distance, hein, oui.
difficile. Déjà,
Very difficult.
la médecine de la personne passée, on dit parfois présente, et future est très difficile à définir. Elle change, elle move.
So the medicine of the whole person is something that in one way seems past, but at the same time it's still alive, it is moving, it is there is different ups and downs and developments, and that is very fascinating.
Et je pense qu'elle est beaucoup plus nécessaire maintenant qu'à l'époque où il l'a créée. C'est-à-dire qu'il y a beaucoup plus de difficultés pour les médecins et pour le système, et que les gens sont beaucoup plus stressés aussi qu'avant.
And what is very important is that médecine de la personne, medicine of the whole person, is translated into each period of time, also into our time. We may be under much more stress or limited resources or whatever, and it needs to be translated into our time. What does it mean now?
Alors, s'il était là maintenant et qu'il voyait le système suisse, qui est basé sur un système qui s'appelle l'AMAL, c'est un système où on doit noter chaque minute qu'on passe avec le patient.
So, if he was alive today, and he would have to reflect about our medical system, he would certainly criticize, I think, or view critically that we have to note each minute of the time that the nurses are using with the patient, and they are put under immense pressure. He would criticize that.
Alors, il trouverait ça horrible,
He would think this is terrible.
et c'est le contraire de ce qu'il a promulgué en 1938.
And that's totally different from what he had in his mind and in his vision in 1938-39 when he first wrote the book.
Il a écrit une lettre à tous ses patients, à tous ses collègues, en disant qu'il changeait sa façon de procéder.
He had written then in 1937, that was, a letter to his patients where he told them that he had changed the way of his practice, of practicing.
Et que dorénavant, il prendrait le temps avec ses patients de discuter dans le cadre médical, mais aussi dans le cadre privé.
And now, from now on, he would take more time to talk about the patients and their medical problems, but also their private problems, where each one finds a place in the bigger whole picture, in the big wholeness, and I find my place in this bigger picture. Yeah.
And
Thank you.
you
Hans, tebe ćemo, promijenit ćemo
very samo da
poziciju.
ovo kaže. Can he just say that we were the first who saw this records?
Ok. Est-ce que tu peux dire quelque chose sur la façon que Paul a documenté les lectures et que nous sommes les premiers
Oui.
qui ont vu ça?
Alors, à l'époque, quand il écrivait des livres, beaucoup de journalistes sont interviewés. Et lui, là,
When Paul Tournier wrote his books, he was also asked in interviews how he did that.
et la grande question qui revenait toujours, c'est comment se fait-il que chaque fois que vous faites un livre, il y a énormément de références, à la fin il y a des pages de références et de citations.
And he was asked, how do you do that? At the end of every book there is a long list of references. How can you do that?
Alors il répondait, j'ai créé un système qui s'appelle la boîte à idées.
And then he always responded, I have created a system and it's a box of ideas.
Vous prenez un sujet,
You take a subject,
ça donne une référence
and then you have a reference
d'un livre que j'ai lu, sur lequel j'ai numéroté la référence,
of a book that I've read, and then I put a number of reference,
et vous finissez par faire des fiches.
and then I made little cards and put them in a box.
Ensuite, tout ça, c'est mis dans les tiroirs. Quand vous avez une idée, vous pouvez par exemple parler d'une certaine maladie en relation avec quelque chose d'autre. Vous prenez les deux fiches et vous avez tout de suite toutes les références citées, intéressantes que j'ai lues sur le sujet.
And so he developed his system of how he could refer to the books that he had read, and he also had that box with the cards on the different subjects.
Tous les écrivains ont un système où ils mettent des mots, des phrases sur des post-it. Lui, il a sanctuarisé ça. Il en a fait un système complètement à sa mesure, une sorte de Google.
So he had developed his own system, his own Google, if you like, and that was unique in his ways.
C'est un moteur de recherche en fait.
That was his method of research.
Alors chaque fois qu'il refaisait un livre, tous les 2 ans, il prenait son sujet, il prenait ses fiches, et en quelques minutes, il avait déjà des dizaines d'auteurs et de citations et de grands penseurs pour pouvoir démarrer et lui penser à ses idées par rapport à toutes ces autres personnes.
Okay. Thank you.
Veljko, last question that I'm reading. Can you ask him how, something at the end, how is he feeling that Professor Veljko Đorđević from Croatia is now the winner?
Yes.
Please.
I will ask it in a moment. I just want to
Just
add.
translate this.
I will immediately.
Oh, yeah.
I just wanted to say once more. Paul Tournier explained that in interviews, but he never showed the system to anybody.
And we saw it today.
And you saw it today,
Okay, and now can you tell us, now we are from Croatia,
right?
we will present it to our congress. No,
Yes.
what he think that
Yes.
today,
Okay.
because he participated in the decision.
Exactly.
What do you think about the work of Professor Đorđević and why he got the good prize?
Okay. So aujourd'hui, nous allons nos amis de Croatie. Veljko va recevoir le prix Paul Tournier. Comment c'est pour toi, de ton avis?
Alors pour moi, c'est toujours un plaisir de remettre le prix Paul Tournier parce que c'est un prix, je dirais, qui est jeune déjà. Il y a peu de lauréats.
I'm very happy that this prize can be given to you, and it's still a young prize. There are not many people yet who have received this prize.
Il y a quelques lauréats actuellement, moins de 10, hein, C'est pas comme le prix Nobel, il y en a très très peu, c'est très très rare.
C'est 8, je pense, 8 personnes.
Ça doit être 8 maintenant.
Ouais.
Oui.
And there's only 8 people have received this prize.
Une fois, il y a eu 2 lauréats. Donc,
And in 2020 we had 2 people receiving the prize because we could not decide which one of the 2 would deserve it better.
alors, il y a des médecins, des psychiatres, des spécialistes, même des gens qui sont pas dans le domaine de la médecine, qui pratiquent la médecine de la personne, des fois même sans le savoir.
And we also have people among those who have received the prize who have practiced medicine of the whole person without maybe not even knowing that it was medicine of the whole person what they were practicing.
Là, nous avons des gens qui se sont engagés dans la médecine de la personne, qui ont voulu la promulguer, la transmettre. Donc c'est encore plus important.
We have always we wanted to make sure that people will receive this prize who will also propagate and, share this medicine of the whole person, médecine de la personne, with others.
C'est eux qui font la médecine de la personne, qui la transforment et qui en fait un outil pour soigner.
And so everyone in his own world will develop medicine of the person to a method, to a tool that can help others to become better or to become healed.
Nous, on transmet juste une idée, un nom, une œuvre, mais s'il n'y a personne derrière pour la travailler, pour soigner, ça ne sert à rien.
We can maybe transmit an idea or a work, principles, but it needs individual people who translate that into the practice, into the practical life. That's what helps. So, justement pour lui, tu as quelques mots pour...
Alors, je le connais depuis quelques années. Hein.
I have known you for several years now.
Je pense que l'équipe, parce que moi je pense quand même que c'est une équipe à la base, hein, qui travaille toujours derrière. J'ai toujours entendu parler du groupe de Zagreb, avant même de les rencontrer.
And so I know it's your person, but also a whole team of people with whom you work, and together you create that which is medicine of the whole person.
Je voulais y aller à Zagreb, aller les voir, et cette année-là, j'ai pas pu.
When you had your last conference, I wanted to go there, but I couldn't.
Et quand les autres sont revenus, ils m'ont dit, mais c'était fantastique.
And when
Extraordinaire.
other people came back, like Hans, for example, he said it was fantastic.
Salle de congrès, des hôtels, enfin, c'était, voilà. Et on était aux petits soins, et c'était franchement le meilleur groupe qu'on ait fait jusqu'à maintenant.
And people commented that this had been the best conference that they had experienced so far, because it contained so many aspects and arts and.
Alors, quand il y a un bon dirigeant, je pense qu'il y a l'équipe autour, elle finit par bien travailler, être heureuse. Et c'est un peu ce que faisait Paul. Il dirigeait bien la médecine de la personne et les gens étaient très contents d'aller au groupe de la médecine de la personne.
And you may be like a conductor for an orchestra, and everybody helps together that it will be fantastic
Mais pour ça,
music and sound.
Pour ça, il faut être personnel déjà, direct, personnel. Et actuellement, on fait des conférences qui sont virtuelles. Je ne suis pas certain que Paul aimerait beaucoup ça.
And it's wonderful that you're going to do another conference on site with the people present. I don't know what Paul Twinier would say about the virtual conferences on Zoom like we have them today. I don't know what he would say about that. So it's much more preferable to have on-site conferences.
Thank you.